It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Yukon Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. Driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this Yukon comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, electric park brake, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, traction control, hill descent control, the 360-degree camera, head-up display and information tab, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior, Denali embroidery in both front seats. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Up next is the fully customizable driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, power folding rear seats, the power lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off. This button here is for our power sliding center console. We're able to slide that back to reveal additional storage compartments down below. We also have OnStar overhead. Up next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It has our audio controls, Google Maps. This screen also doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off and on. We have our guidance, that's hitch guidance there. We're able to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. That button there is for hitch view. Electronic precision shifting down the side. The engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the Yukon. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are down below. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats. Additionally, we have those rear climate control buttons down below, USB ports and power plug-ins, the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Dual cup holders, and we'll take a quick peek inside the center console. We've got plenty of storage space inside. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille, HD surround vision, fog lights, signature C-shaped headlamps, 22-inch Denali wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator. Chrome roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, 4 full-size doors, power retractable running boards with perimeter lighting, keyless entry and keyless start, remote start, and as we make our way to the very back here, we have the power lift gate. I'm going to use the key fob. You'll notice here that we're able to just open that top glass portion or the entire lift gate altogether. I'm going to push the button twice and pop that entire lift gate open. In the trunk, plenty of cargo storage space, the power buttons to fold the second and third row seats down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power door locks, power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, the rear climate control buttons, heated second row seats, a power plug-in, bucket seats in the second row. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull the seat release on the side of the seat and the tether at the back. In the third row, We have 3 seats with cup holders and USB-C plug-ins on either side. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Yukon Denali, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.